Today we are going to take the Upside Down Challenge. The Upside Down Challenge is a game by Vango, and they are a new company, so definitely if you do purchase this game, which I hope you do, you definitely have to share on their social media, tag them, and also use the hashtag Upside Down Challenge. Now, this game comes with basically everything you need to get started. You really just need like a marker or a pen. It comes with a notepad, the instructions, a whole bunch of cards with challenges and other prompts to do fun things, and your goggles that turns your whole world upside down. So the box is really cool. I love the shape of the box. They really did add an element of like fun with this shape. It's really awesome. Not only do you have to do like fun drawings upside down, but it also asks you to do challenges that would be like physical challenge. So this, they want you to like pour water from one bottle to another, and you see how she can't even get the water in the bottle? How can anybody see if it's upside down? So this game is really fun because it's super collaborative. In order to see who won, everybody technically votes on who drew it best. So I'm only gonna be playing with my older son. My younger son can't write or read yet. So it is for 2 to 6 players. I would imagine that it's probably better with a larger group because it asks for you to like do things with your partners or your mates like next to you. So we're gonna try the drawing challenge. So the whole thing is though, they don't want you to close your eyes because I imagine if you do close your eyes, you'd be able to envision what you're drawing a lot easier. So we are gonna try it right now. We're gonna shift gears, change scenes, and we are gonna check it out. I'm only gonna show myself in this video. Unfortunately, when I show my son in my videos, YouTube marks it as as made for kids, and nobody sees it. Like nobody sees my videos anyway. So you're gonna just be seeing me acting silly. Okay, let's get started. Thank you so much to Vango for sending us the Upside Down Challenge. Hi guys, it's Tiffany, and now we're back. We're gonna take the Upside Down Challenge. Like I said, these are the goggles that you're gonna wanna wear to take the challenge. The game also comes with challenge cards, and the challenge cards are really cool. They actually tell you different things to do. Like, let's say you could pour water from one cup to another to see if you can actually do it with the goggles on. It also tells you how many seconds you have and how many points you'll win or how many you lose for successfully completing the challenge or not completing the challenge at all. So in order to win, the other players actually vote on who drew it best or who did the challenge best, or based on how many points you have on the card. So you're gonna watch me do the challenge, and if you wanna watch me and my son play, Marcello and I, and even my little guy Rocco, you can check out our IGTV, Facebook Watch, and TikTok for those funny clips. Let's get started. Again, thank you so much to Vango Toys for sending us the Upside Down Challenge.
Write the word fun. Fingers in the way by accident. That is me. I'm trying to record mommy.
Okay, I think I have my pen, and I have my thing. Okay, I have to write the word fun, and the timer starts now. Okay, I'm done. All right, how did I do? How did I do? Oh, how do you think I did, guys? Let me know in the comments. I think I deserve 1 point.
Draw a car in 30 seconds.
Oh my God. Oh God.
No, Mom, it's right over there by your hand.
Where is it?
No. Mom, it's right there.
Wait, where is it?
Yeah,
Okay.
the one that you're holding.
All right. What do I have to draw again? A car?
Yeah.
Okay, that timer for 30 seconds starts now. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I'm done. Can I stop? All right.
It looks like a tow truck.
Hey, that looks like a car. I think I'm mastering life better upside down than I am right side up.
Draw a tree in 30 seconds.
I have to do it in 30 seconds or less. See if I could do it. I really should put my pen in my hand before. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not, you have to press the bottom of the pen.
Okay, oh sorry. All right, in 3, 2, 1. And stop. How'd I do?
You actually made an open space. Yeah, you made an open space.
Hey, that looks like a tree. Let's move on to our last task. Ay, tough crowd.
Okay, write the word top in 15 seconds.
Oh my gosh. Okay, Marcello, pick the last one. Write the word top. I have 15 seconds to do it. Okay.
Mom, you
All right,
just
ready?
done it. Wait, Mom, press the pen again.
Oh, okay.
You did it.
All right. Okay, I gotta write the word top. You ready?
Yeah.
How'd I do?
The O has like a little curve inside it.
Okay, that's the word top. Are you serious?
Are
you serious?
It looks like it, but it has like a little curve inside it.
All right, you know what? I'm sorry. I'm giving myself a point. This is awesome. If you don't think I did well, then you could let me know in the comments. But I think I did pretty well. This game is super fun. In the comments, if you think I did well, I think I did pretty awesome. Marcello thinks otherwise. I'm going to leave it up to you guys. In my next video, I am going to create my own challenge by unboxing toys with these glasses on, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much to Van Gogh Toys for sending us the Upside Down Challenge. This game rocks. So much fun.